Okie dokie, so here I have the Highway 421 railroad crossing in near Harlan County, Kentucky. So as you can see, this crossing is not abandoned. It's back on service. As you can see, it's back on service in Harlan. So the first signal here is a gate mechanism signal. It's made by Satran base. The gate mechanism is made by Satran. As you can see, there's a tag that says danger. You have a CSX information. So dot number is 347272Y. The lights are all Satran 12 by 24-inch lights with dialed bulb LEDs. You have a Rico LED gate lights. See, there's a relay case right here. It's still see the power is still on. Right down there's a second signal. So there's a tracks right here. See right here, it's got weird condition. Right, as you can see, right over here. And there's a pathway. There's at least to some neighborhoods. That way leads to the Harlan County. This leads to Harlan City, Kentucky. Let's wait for the car. Alright, now I gotta cross the road here, show you the other signal. And the next signal is, I won't show you this for his first condition, but it's got another Satran pilot base on it. And we got another Satran gate mechanism with American lock. And in front of the camera, we have another CSX information as well. Another Satran 12 by 24-inch lights with dialed bulb LEDs in them. And another Rico LED gate lights. And finally, the bell. It's a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell from Norfolk Southern. See, this really is not abandoned. It's still back on service. So yeah, I can go back over here. So here we have a Highway 421 railroad crossing near Harlan County, Kentucky. It's still back on service. So yeah, over and out.